Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here we have to focus on this settings bar and tap to the third from the right button so we can get access to our aspect ratio. We are in 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is also available with 64 megapixels, the best possible resolution of this camera, so this is how to get access to it. And now let's move to 9 and 16. As you can see, the background has changed to the longer ratio. Another tap to this button and we can move to 1 and 1, the square 1 ratio. And here in the settings we have also access to the full one, so for now we can see the full camera frame. And let's tap to the third from the right button once again. You can pick whatever you need. Now let me move back to 3 and 4, the original one. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.